This is how to fix lagging and slow speed problem in Windows 10. So let's get into it and fix this method by using very simple process. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply right click on your Windows icon and then open your settings. Alright, here in the settings simply click on the privacy to open it. Here you have to just make some changes. The first one is to simply click on the general option in the left menu and then turn off these all four options here. And then click on the speech option in the left menu and then turn it off. Then click on diagnostic and feedback and then turn it off. Now click on the location option in the app permissions and then turn it off. Similarly click on the camera and then turn it off. Then notifications and then also turn it off. Similarly you have to just turn all of the next options in the left menu and then turn off all the options one by one. Don't worry, these all steps will not affect you or any of the system in your Windows 10. So alright, we have to just turn all these options here. So once you complete this process, moving to our next step. Our next step is so simple, to simply restart your Windows 10 or simply restart your system, and after restarting your lagging and the slow speed problem will be fixed. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.